Hi, so this is a short video for those interested in our XCase RM 200 Pro, either as a chassis or a built system. The 200 Pro is a 2U which takes 6 internal hard drives, which are situated behind these two grills. It has an optical drive space, front USB, power, reset and lights for hard drive and LAN. Internally you've got these 4 80mm cooling fans. These are connected to a daughterboard, which is then connected through a single 4-pin connector to your motherboard. And so the fans will basically speed up and slow down when the processors get warmer or colder. Now, as an example, this is actually loading an operating system, and as you can probably hear, it's very quiet. The noise, in fact, is coming more from the 2 coolers than it is from the redundant power supply fitted here, or the 4 80mm fans. In this particular system, we've got fitted a Supermicro X9 DRH motherboard, which is populated with 16 gigs of RAM. So in total 256 gigabyte. And they've added an optional 10 gig LAN card. We sell this as a chassis alone with various power supplies. We can spec it up as a single processor with a Supermicro board, or a dual processor as fitted here. The chassis has 7 low-profile expansion slots, so you can fit various cards like RAID cards, LAN cards, or HBA cards. It comes in at 650mm deep. It needs to, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to fit dual processor boards in it. So you'd need a rack that's realistically 700mm deep and above. Now, to give you an example, if something drastically went wrong in your data center cooling and things got very hot, or one of your fans failed, your processor will start to get warm. Eventually it's going to get warm. It is a cold warehouse. And slowly you'll start to hear the fans calm back down again when everything's good. So there you have it, the XCase RM 200 Pro. Thanks very much for listening.